good tank game and kinda fits. Let me tutorial you guys. First, get the new items. Scroll up, and you see attack. Choose anything, but anything. And if you do something here, you will use thingy, and if it fits, and you open it, it can't move. There's one chance you can do something. There's a solution here. Get this. Do not start the tank first. Must use this finisher. The Squid Game. And if you found a red thingy, shoot it. Will shoot it and will show a laser. Shoot to the wheels, and it will arrow. And if you open it, it can.
Bye guys.
Open.
Ako muna.
It can open.
Bye guys.
It can open.
Tablet ako muna.
And if you put something, do the same thing as I do, like this small thingy. If you put it down, there's a chance it might glitch. So it's better to fall it off. Swallow it off and use this and put into there and use this and if it can't use, you'll try again. And I chose the no. Here and maybe just use another thing. And if you use this blue thing, it will get out style. And if you put this, nothing will happen. But if you do something like this, it will move. And if you do this, it not work. Just shoot this. And this will connect, and this will disconnect. It can't disconnect because it's connected. So maybe this is the wrong one, I guess. Let's try this first. If you use a gun out of this, normal. Like this. So what are you waiting for? Use this as your new tank. And don't forget to save this. Use tank. Fire. No. Wait. We must. don't put this. It's not like with your So guys, thank you for watching. Also ba? And save tank, it's tank 5. Put in here to see you again. Oh, if you respawn, it will see you again. Save game tank 5. Here we go. Have your own good tank game. By the way, I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna do one for my little brother, Kia the Screamer. See you guys on the next video.